Did you know that the wealthy have a secret language when it comes to money? A language that the rest of us aren't privy to until now. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money now. That might sound counterintuitive, but bear with me. The rich work for assets. They work for things that put money in their pocket, even when they're not working. Like a business or a rental property, or even a piece of art. Lesson 2. Why tax advantages. The rich understand and use tax advantages. You see, the rich don't have more money than you or me. They just know how to keep more of what they make. And one of the ways they do that is by taking advantage of tax laws. They invest in things that aren't taxed as much, or at all, like real estate or businesses. Lesson 3. The rich buy assets, the poor and middle class buy liabilities. The rich buy assets, the poor and middle class buy liabilities. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with buying a new car or a nice house. But the key here is understanding what you're buying. A car is a liability, it depreciates in value the second you drive it off the lot. But a house? That can be an asset, if you buy it with the intention of renting it out or flipping it for a profit. Lesson 4. The importance of financial literacy. The rich understand the importance of financial literacy. They understand how money works, and they understand how to make money work for them. They don't just save money, they invest it. They don't just spend money, they use it to create more money. Speaking of money working for you, how many of you are living paycheck to paycheck? Lesson 5. The rich focus on ROI, return on investment, that is. They don't just invest in something because it sounds good. They invest in something because it's going to give them a high return. They're always thinking, what's the best use of my money right now? Lesson 6. Overcoming fear. The rich understand that fear is what keeps most people from becoming wealthy. They understand that in order to make money, they have to be willing to take risks. And sometimes, those risks are scary. But they do it anyway. They face their fear and take action. Lesson 7. The rich are willing to make deals. The rich are willing to make deals. They understand that nothing is set in stone. They're always looking for ways to negotiate, to barter, to strike a better deal. They understand that a no is just the beginning of the conversation. Lesson 8. The rich focus on long-term goals. They understand that wealth isn't built overnight. It's built over time, with consistent effort and long-term thinking. They're not interested in get-rich-quick schemes, they're interested in creating lasting wealth. Lesson 9. The importance of a supportive network. The rich understand the importance of a supportive network. They surround themselves with like-minded people, people who are also focused on building wealth. They understand that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Lesson 10. The rich are willing to learn and adapt. And finally, lesson number 10. The rich are willing to learn and adapt. They understand that the world is constantly changing, and they're willing to change with it. They're always reading, always learning, always adapting their strategies to fit the current market. 10 lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that have changed my life and that I believe can change yours too. But remember, knowledge is nothing without action. So, take what you've learned today and put it into practice. Start investing, start learning, start adapting. And if you found this video helpful, I would absolutely love it if you could give it a like and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, my friends, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep investing in yourself. Because that's the real secret to wealth. Thanks for watching.